It's August 2024. Three young journalists from Chatr Media Productions leave Sulaymaniyah towards Hewraman. It was supposed to be a very simple work trip, filming, reporting, a bit of mountain air. Minutes later, a Turkish drone strike hit them. Hewraman and Guli instantly killed. Rebin survived barely. But this isn't an isolated case. Kurdish journalists have been targeted for decades. Musa Antar, Nagihan Akarsel, Cihan Belkin, Nazim Dashtan, Aziz Köylüoğlu. Many others simply disappeared or put on trial or jailed. According to a 2024 report, since 2015, at least 130 civilians have died due to Turkish drone strikes. And those people's families, they receive death certificates that avoid mentioning airstrikes. They simply say explosions. Real accountability has been rare. Rebin has returned to journalism. He survived what so many others didn't. Read the full story on the Amargi.